When it comes to smoothies, I always love trying out new recipes because every single time you have a different smoothie and a different taste. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make custard apple and banana smoothie, which is going to be creamy, flavorful, and very delicious since custard apple and bananas are sweet. I am excited for this smoothie recipe because it's going to be very refreshing. So you're going to pick your custard apple, which you have already washed, and using a knife, you're going to cut in the middle. And this is how the custard apple is looking on the inside. You can see it has some black seeds and also it is pale white in the inside. The green is a little bit pale green since the custard apple is very ripe. So I'm going to cut the custard apple one more time, just like this. That is cutting the custard apple in quarters. And then I'm going to remove the seeds and place the pulp in my bowl. Make sure before you remove the pulp of the custard apple, your hands are clean. It's going to be messy, but it's going to be totally worth it. So make sure to remove all the seeds because we are going to be blending the custard apple. The texture is super creamy. And also you can catch a very nice aroma from the custard apple. When you're done doing the messy job, that is removing the pulp of the custard apple, it's time to blend our custard apple and banana smoothie. So I'm going to add the pulp in my blender. And then I'm going to add in some banana to act as a sweetener and also to make the smoothie very creamy. So I'm going to peel my bananas and slice into my blender. Remember, the custard apple is sweet, so we are just adding in a little bit of creaminess and sweetness to the smoothie. You're going to add in a third cup of water, which is going to help you blend the smoothie, and also add in a tablespoon of vanilla essence, which is going to add in lots of flavor to the custard apple banana smoothie. Now it's time to blend my smoothie, so I'm going to cover my blender and then I'm going to blend until everything is nice and smooth. Once the smoothie is nice and smooth, your custard apple and banana smoothie is ready. So I'm going to transfer to a very nice glass over here and just look at this smoothie. It's very creamy. My smoothie is ready and it just turned out absolutely amazing. As you can see, it's very thick, it's flavorful since I added in some vanilla essence, and also it's very smooth. So I hope you'll be trying out this recipe because it has lots of benefits to your body, because both bananas and custard apples have lots of benefits to our body. So this is a smoothie worth trying because custard apple are in season, and hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing